Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert and remove a milk tank from Sencor Espresso Machine. And to do this, first we'll need to flip our machine to the left side, right side like this, and then we can take our milk tank and find the plug right here and stick it inside there. It should go fairly easy. Just wait until you hear the click, and now we've properly inserted our milk machine. In case you want to remove it, you will need to press on this button and then start pulling it to the other side. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.